So I ordered an Amazon electric tin opener. Let's take a look at it. Let's see how it works. Let's see if I can open a tin with it. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, pretty simple packaging, straightforward. So how it works is that there's a magnet right here. So I'm gonna put a tin there, and I'm going to position it inside where it's gonna basically rotate and cut the tin with these blades. So let's go test it out. Oh, before I test it out, I forgot to mention that it also has a knife sharpener, and it comes with a cable section that you can basically kind of hidden away from outside when you're not using it, which is kind of neat. So just noting that before I actually use it. Alright, so I'll place the can on it. Let's go. Oh. Nice, and it keeps it on it. Awesome. So I'm gonna get something to put this in. But you see that it works and it keeps it, it holds it up. So if your can is complete, it's really full to the brim with a lot of pressure, don't be shocked if you see a little of it's leaking out. There's a condensed milk, so you know it's a lot of pressure sealed inside, but it holds it very well. I like it. Really takes away having to use a knife to open this, which I've been doing for years. So I'm loving this product as already. So definitely give it a try. It's Amazon Basics. It has the back sharpener, knife sharpener. It has also has a compartment, which is right here. You can use to open beer tins. Sorry, not beer tins. Beer bottles. Move off the caps. And of course, you also have what its main purpose is for, to open tins. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna try and make myself a nice milk beverage right now. Thank you.